If you have a red clay tennis court, the best option to do the maintenance if the court is very hard is to use a cutter machine. In this way you can have a very soft and straight court, but sometimes this is not possible for timing problems or budget problems, and our advice in these situations is to do a quick maintenance about half a day in order to have more time to use the court and postpone the real maintenance with the cutter machine some weeks or months later. Please keep in mind that this is not a permanent solution. Its main purpose is to postpone the real maintenance with the cutter machine. A typical scenario in which this maintenance can be really effective is a tournament. If we have an outdoor red clay court, very hard, and we have a tournament within 1 week, for example, making the maintenance with the cutter machine can be very dangerous. This because if we have a storm after the maintenance, we can have the court not available for 2-3 days, and this can be very dangerous for a tournament. For this operation you will need one person for half a day, more or less, for each court. In addition, you will need a straight edge, a drag brush, and a net leveling mat. If you don't have all these tools, in the description you will find the link to our products line. Now we can start with the real maintenance. First of all, flood the court where you want to do the maintenance. It can be the whole court, it can be the main area near the bottom line, it's up to you. Then you can wait and the court will dry with the sun until we have about 1 millimeter of water upon the court. So we have a water layer about 1 millimeter. With this layer of water about 1 millimeter, we can take the drag brush and move it around the court with circular movements. Now we have a rough surface and we can put the red clay on it. Please keep in mind to not put too much red clay, 2-3 millimeters, this is the maximum. So put the red clay and spread it using the straight edge to cover all the photoholes and make a straight surface. Now you can take the net leveling mat and use it on the court. Again, circular movements. Last but not least, wet the court. This time keep in mind to not flood the court. We've done and we can play on the court. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope this video can be helpful. If you have doubts or questions, down in the comment or on our website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.